Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum brother, sister. Today we are here in Indian restaurant. What's the name?
Indian Tadka.
Indian Tadka. And also the good thing, the Indian Tadka restaurant has halal meat. If you are around the Silicon Valley area and come here, try halal food. So we ordered the food. Now we go to the kitchen, we cook together. Please stay with us to hand off this video. Let's go. Hello everyone. Hello. How you doing? Awesome. It's Ali. Thank you. What's your name? Shafiq. Ali. Halal food tester. Nice to meet you, brother. Thank you. So as you can see, everything so ready, very clean place, and which I told you, they have a serve halal food, halal meat, everything very traditional from which part of India?
Tamil Nadu.
Tamuna. Tamuna. Okay.
Hi, I am Sadish. Working in Indian Tadka. I am the executive chef in a restaurant.
Okay.
Now I am making the chicken tikka masala.
Awesome.
Now I add little bit butter.
Okay.
And some garlic. Chopped garlic. And green chili.
Awesome.
Already made the sauce. This sauce for using butter chicken, chicken tikka masala, and everything based this sauce. Yeah. And little bit tomato sauce. The chicken already make with the tandoori.
It's ready, yeah?
Yes, ready.
Awesome. Where's the biryani?
Myself, Jason.
Okay.
Actually, I was a chef in Indian Tadka past 2 years.
2 years. Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, we introduced a new biryani. It's a Hyderabadi special chicken dum biryani.
Oh, Hyderabadi. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yep.
Okay.
Actually, and we have a weekend special, something different from South India.
Okay.
It's talapagati.
Okay.
So actually, we do only for the weekends.
Oh, this is only for the weekend.
Yeah, that's
special.
only for the
Okay.
special weekends.
So you learn cooking biryani back home, or you learn from here?
Yeah, actually, I cook from my villages when I was in my college.
Okay.
Then I came to work in the hotel industry.
Okay. Awesome. So make a biryani for us, please. Could you?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Okay. Awesome. Thank you. Good decoration. Awesome. So they are put it with their hand in the traditional way. Awesome. So if someone order good biryani, but then you using the same rice and put it good meat, yeah?
Yeah, actually we only use for this for only non-veg.
Okay.
Actually we have the same rice.
Okay.
We're gonna be used for the veg. The
So you are cooking two different.
Yes.
Okay. Awesome. Okay. Okay. Awesome. So where's the shrimp?
Actually, we have to be once we cook the biryani, we have already to the oven once like 2 minutes.
Okay.
then we have to do garnish, fried onions, like cilantro, some of onions.
Okay.
That's it.
Awesome. Cool.
The Szechuan chicken or Szechuan shrimp you want?
The shrimp.
Shrimp?
Shrimp, yeah.
Yeah, I made now the Szechuan shrimp.
Okay.
Chopped ginger, garlic,
Okay.
celery, chopped onion, everything.
Awesome.
Cook with a little bit oil.
Okay.
We are using the sesame oil.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sesame
this is
oil,
the flavor
yeah?
is very nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's healthy also, this oil. Sesame
okay.
oil is very healthy.
Awesome.
Yeah. I add little bit celery also.
Sorry. Okay.
Yeah. And bell pepper, onion. This first Szechuan sauce. I use 1.5 ladle.
That's yummy.
Then add little bit black pepper.
Okay.
And a little bit sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we made the shrimp
Okay.
batter fry.
Okay.
Then add this one.
You add the fry.
Yeah, this one. Yeah,
Okay.
batter fry. Right now, ready the sauce.
Okay.
I'm marinate the shrimp.
Shrimp. Okay.
Batter only the cornstarch.
Okay.
All-purpose flour little bit.
Okay.
Then chili flakes, salt.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it.
So
Okay.
that's it. Marinate and fry.
Awesome. Me and Tanveer is so hungry. We need some food.
Hopefully it gets ready soon.
Yeah.
So this is a Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani.
Okay.
So we're gonna be garnish this biryani.
Okay.
So I wanna be the plate.
Awesome.
Fried onion on top of the biryani.
Awesome. So almost how our food is ready. Smells so good. Awesome, nice. Awesome, thank you. So basically all our order is ready. So now we go
And have it.
now we go to eat it. Let's go inside the restaurant. So now our food is ready. Let's try. How does it taste? Let's try start from biryani. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow. Let me get a piece. That's really good. A little bit more spicy, but
Let me.
okay, awesome. Look at the chicken. chicken is tender, soft. It's really good. Try shrimp. Oh. You can have it.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Shrimp also really good. I love the shrimp. It's melt in your mouth. Ah. Now let's try chicken tikka masala with garlic naan.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah.
You can try a combination with bread, a little, chicken tikka masala,
Okay.
and a little biryani rice on the top, and try to have it.
Okay. Let's do that. Then the sauce. Ah. That's right. Sambosa. It's a veggie sambosa. Ah. Then the sauce. Ah.
It has onion, carrots, peas, potatoes,
Okay.
and onions.
Okay.
Just all made into a single masala and
Oh.
stuffed into the pastry.
Wow. That's very hot for you. You can use yogurt. Wow.
Try a little mango lassi too.
Okay.
It's made of like yogurt based. With
Okay.
a little mango taste in it.
Wow. Mega juice. It's awesome. Awesome. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, share with your friend, family. We're going to city to city, country to country, review halal food, halal meat, and try it. Oh, there's one thing more left over there. Look at that.
Oh, okay, it's
Awesome.
a dosa.
Awesome.
Let me clear this
So,
out.
what's this?
It's a dosa.
Dosa?
Yes.
Awesome. Oh, okay, dosa is here. Thank you so much.
So this is peanut chutney if you have any allergy or anything. This
Okay, awesome, awesome.
So this is an onion chutney,
Okay.
this is coconut chutney, and this is peanut chutney.
Awesome.
And this is like a lentil-based soup called sambar,
Samba,
and
Okay.
the dosa is the
so this is-
crepe,
okay,
rice batter crepe.
okay. So, we should take this one,
Yeah,
like
and
that.
dip it whatever sauce you like.
And usually put the all together or?
It's like you can select whichever sauce you want,
Okay,
dip it and have it.
okay. Wow. So, this is soup, yeah? Kind of like...
It's also a sauce. You just have to take a piece of dosa, dip it on it, and have it.
Okay. It's first time I tried dosa. It tastes really good. I love it. Okay. Awesome. You try it?
Yeah, I had it, bro. Yeah.
Here. Go ahead, try it. How do you like it? Okay.
It is really good. Yeah.
So you can make you can doing dosa at home. You can cook that dosa at
So
home, yeah.
dosa and idli, it's like a daily staple breakfast. We do it at house.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
we just make dosa or idli and have
any one of these sauces or like 2 or 3 sauces.
Okay.
It's like a daily breakfast for us.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a staple food in all over South Indian homes.
South Indian.
Yeah.
So this restaurant also belongs to South Indian, yeah?
They have a mix of North and South cuisines.
Okay.
They have both.
Yeah, both. Awesome,
Yeah.
awesome. Thank you. Awesome. Definitely review outside the restaurant for you guys, and I hope you guys like it. And thanks for Panveer bring us here, and my good friend. Thank you, Panveer. Appreciate
You're
it.
welcome. Hope you love the food.
I don't like it, and have a great time. See you, inshallah. Ya Allah, assalamu alaikum. Just eat our food. The food was real delicious, yeah, and great quality. Also, the kitchen was very clean. The manager owner was so friendly, and the cooks was really friendly, and their cookas, everything was awesome. I definitely recommend you guys, if you are try to Indian and South North Indian food, try here. And also the meat 100% halal. They are using halal meat, and definitely I recommend you guys, if you wanna Indian food, just come and enjoy the food. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. Ya Allah.